Turn on the screen, we're smiling so bright. Little treasures glowing.
Hello, little treasures! Today, we will be reading sight word sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. I eat. It's now your turn. Correct! I play. Your turn. Good job! I walk. It's now your turn. Awesome! I read. Your turn. Correct! I jump. Your turn. Good job! I dance. Your turn. Awesome! Now let's read again. I eat. I play. I walk. I read. I jump. I dance. Let's make a complete sentence using I. I have a school bag. Like, I like bananas. Your turn. Awesome! I like pineapple. Your turn. Good job. I like apples. Your turn. Awesome! I like cherry. Your turn. That's great! I like grapes. Your turn. Good job! I like oranges. Your turn. Awesome! Now let's read each sentences together. I like bananas. I like pineapple. I like apples. I like cherry. I like grapes. I like oranges.
Awesome reading, little treasures. See?
I see a ball. Your turn. I see a bird. Your turn. I see a cupcake. Your turn. I see a book. Your turn. I see a bus. Your turn. I see a squirrel. Your turn. Now let's read each sentences together. I see a ball. I see a ball. I see a cupcake. I see a book. I see a bus. I see a squirrel.
My. I like my shoes.
Your turn.
I like my bag.
Your turn.
I like my dolly.
Your turn.
I like my cat.
Your turn.
I like my dog.
Your turn.
I like my rabbit.
Your turn. Now let's read again.
I like my shoes. I like my bag. I like my dolly. I like my cat. I like my dog. I like my rabbit. Awesome reading, little treasures.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, like, comment, share, and subscribe.